Hey guys, whoa! Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it is windy and I wanted to go kayaking, but that's not going to happen today. So we'll have to figure out plan B. Alright guys, plan B. The wind is still crazy, so I found a trail that takes us out to the Loughman Lake observation deck, which I've looked at online several times. I've seen one of my fellow YouTubers follow Thomas. He went out here, which was pretty cool. So I planned on going in the kayak today, but this is plan B. So it shouldn't be a super long walk out to this observation deck. I believe it's over a mile. I'll have to double check that. But anyway, it's a wooded, shaded pavilion. And as you can still hear and see, the wind is just roaring today. I don't understand. I mean, I looked at the weather. I guess maybe I misread it. I don't know. So this is pretty much the second time I've gone out with the intention of kayaking in the morning. This time I got farther, I brought the kayak. That was interesting. It's almost like a bridge. I'm not sure. If you know what that is, put it down in the comments. So flash forward. I'm on my way out and I realize what this thing is. It's an airboat bridge, essentially. Airboats come up and cross over. It's wood to not hurt their hull. We're almost there. It had roofs, and maybe at one time it did, but yeah, there's still a roof on the other side. And it is very, very windy. I apologize for that noise. My mic can't defeat it. This is beautiful. I'm gonna hang out here in the shade and share it with you. Woo. I am super glad I didn't go kayaking today. The wind has been non-stop out here. Aside from that, the view out here is amazing. If the wind's ruining the audio, I'll do my best to fix it. But you can just look. I mean, it's magnificent. It's a good place to relax. I plan on paddling. Over here is Salt Lake, and then over here is Loughman Lake. And I wanted to paddle to this deck and check it out, but instead we parked at the trailhead, which is off of Hatfield Road, which you saw Hatfield Park in a previous video, and that's further down that way. If you haven't seen that video, that means you're not subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, please do so by clicking the like button, then that subscribe button, and that tiny bell so you're notified. I'll also link the Hatfield Park video here. You can check that out. Wow, it's non-stop wind, and this whole platform is shaking with the wind, so it's a little unnerving, but I think it will hold. It made it through hurricanes. Wow! We're just gonna hang out here and enjoy ourselves. It's not hot. We're gonna check out the other side here of the platform. The trail goes over the platform and it continues down this way. We're not going down there today, but it would be fun. You can see these blocks here. They're like a little bridge, and that's interesting. Magnificent here. Despite the occasional airboat, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna check out some birds and see what else we can find. This little water bridge thing is pretty neat. And I feel like I could have paddled all the way up here if the wind wasn't a factor. Look at this guy. Non-stop wind. I've been hanging out and just checking it out, enjoying it, enjoying myself, and I'm getting a little hungry. It's about lunchtime, so I'm gonna eat something, which I picked up a sandwich. It's just a ham and cheese sandwich. That was at a truck stop on the way here. Whew. It's gotten cloudy, but I don't expect rain. But then again, I didn't expect wind, and here we are. So there is a nice shelter here if it does rain, but the walk back, which is about a mile, it's not far at all, could get wet. We've done that before. So I didn't feel comfortable sitting on the railings with all this crazy wind. I figured one good gust would just knock me off, and then that'd be a really bad day. So I'm just sitting on the platform up here, and I'm gonna eat this ham and Swiss sandwich. I'll get back with y'all after this. trail with this thing. Oh, there we go. Woo. We're just going to relax here for a little bit. That was a chore. Oh, yeah. Well guys, my time here is about done. It has been a great day just relaxing here at this Loughman Lake Bird Observatory deck here near Titusville, Florida. The wind has been nonstop. I've said it 1,000 times and it's made it very cool, and I've enjoyed myself because I haven't sweat all day. It's amazing. I've wore this fleece and it's been just an enjoyable day for me. I'm going to pack up and head back to the truck and call it a day. I hope you did enjoy this video. Please make sure you follow me on my next adventure. Goodbye, Loughman Observation Deck. We will return in a kayak one day. Maybe a canoe. That was close.